FreshBooks versus Wave. Two giants in small business accounting, but which one truly makes your numbers add up? On the left, FreshBooks, complete accounting for growing businesses. And on the right, Wave, free accounting for freelancers and small teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get straight to what matters for your business in 2025. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll know exactly who wins, feature by feature. The answer might surprise you. Okay, before we compare, here's our roadmap. We're stacking up FreshBooks and Wave across these categories: pricing, time tracking, inventory management, invoicing, reporting and analytics, integrations and extensions, team collaboration, project management, bank reconciliation, ease of use, and multi-business support. I know, sounds like a lot, but stick with me and you'll totally get which one's for you. First, let's talk pricing. FreshBooks is, well, it's pretty standard in the paid accounting world. There's tiered pricing, which means more features across all plans. But heads up, it starts at $15 to $21 per month, and the basic plan only lets you manage a limited number of clients. A little restrictive if you're just starting out or running multiples, right? Now, Wave flips the script. It's totally free to start, like $0. You get unlimited invoices, can manage multiple businesses, and only have to pay if you want advanced stuff like payroll or credit card processing. So if price is your make or break point, Wave's kind of a game changer. This round, that's Wave's win. Now, time tracking. FreshBooks absolutely shines here. You get time tracking built into every paid plan, and it's super easy to log billable hours. Seriously, if you're charging by the clock, this is such a lifesaver. Only catch, you need a paid plan, not included in the basic trial. Wave? Honestly, it's the opposite. You'll find a simple, straightforward dashboard, but time tracking? Nope, it's not here. If you're a service business, Wave's not your best bet for this. So FreshBooks is the clear winner for time tracking. On to inventory management. If you sell products, listen up. FreshBooks offers basic inventory tracking on every plan. You'll get automatic stock count updates, which, honestly, is perfect for most small retailers. Just be aware, it's not some fancy dedicated inventory system. So if you've got massive inventory needs, you might want something extra. Wave, meanwhile, yeah, there's no inventory management at all. So not really an option for product businesses. FreshBooks takes this one easily. Quick fact break. Did you know Wave gives you basic accounting totally free, while FreshBooks kicks off at $15 a month? But to be fair, FreshBooks has a bunch more advanced features. So it depends what you actually need. Next scene, invoicing. FreshBooks lets you send recurring invoices, pop your brand's logo on stuff, fire off automated payment reminders, plus you can send quotes, which some folks totally rely on. Small catch. Cheaper plans only allow so many billable clients, and there's no multi-currency invoicing. So if you're international, heads up. Wave, not bad at all. You get unlimited invoices on every plan, including the free one. And you've got strong invoicing tools, even receipt scanning. Downside is you can't go heavy on custom branding, and advanced stuff is missing. So honestly, it's super close. I'd say this one's a tie. Reporting and analytics. This one is more important than you think. FreshBooks gives you really detailed, actually good-looking reports. You can see project profitability, get comprehensive financial breakdowns. And if you step up to their higher tier plans, it gets even deeper. Wave, on the other hand, covers all the basics. Income, expenses. It's totally fine for straightforward needs. But if you want tons of data or a deeper dive, you'll feel a bit limited. FreshBooks definitely snags this round. How about integrations and extensions? So FreshBooks, this is where it flexes. Over 100 third-party integrations. That's everything from Stripe to credit card payments, bank transfers, you name it. A tiny catch. Some extras are locked behind pricier plans. Meanwhile, Wave comes with Stripe and bank transfer basics. But honestly, the list stops there. Way fewer integrations and not much in extension options. FreshBooks walks away with the win again. Team collaboration. This one's sneaky important. FreshBooks allows your accountant in on higher plans, and you can do team timesheets too. But lower plans, there's a limit on users and not much of a paper trail, which is not ideal if you've got multiple people poking around. Wave, though, lets you add unlimited users. Yes, for free. You get easy accountant collaboration and 0 per user fees. It's not crazy structured for giant teams, but the flexibility rocks. This round's Waves. Project management. So if you juggle client gigs or projects, listen up. FreshBooks gives you legit project tracking and profitability analysis, but only on premium plans or higher. You can manage multiple projects and really dig into how each one's performing. Wave, on the other hand, I mean, it's simple to use, sure, but there's no project management built in. Nothing for tracking deliverables, deadlines, or costs. FreshBooks grabs the win here. Moving on, bank reconciliation. FreshBooks gives you multi-bank account support, automatically flags mismatches, and lets you reconcile accounts smoothly. Although, yep, some of this sits behind a paywall. Wave, though, gets major props for making reconciliations super easy and free. You can link multiple accounts, create reconciliation periods, and keep things tidy. Both have strengths and both make it simple. Let's call it a tie. Ease of use. FreshBooks has a super clean, user-friendly interface with plenty of automated tools and, even better, a top-notch support team. Like, seriously, if you get stuck, they're great. Only hitch? Sometimes all the options can be a little overwhelming for beginners. Wave keeps it basic and actually really straightforward for simple tasks. But the interface can get cluttered once you start adding stuff. Plus, support resources aren't quite as good. So if you want minimal headaches plus decent help, FreshBooks wins. Last up, multi-business support. So FreshBooks does let you manage more than one business, but you'll need a separate subscription for each one, which, adds up fast if you've got multiple side hustles. Wave, you manage all your businesses for free on a single account. No extra costs, no headaches. For anyone juggling lots of projects, Wave makes consolidation super simple. This round is all Wave. Now, at a glance, take a look at this chart. FreshBooks consistently wins for time tracking, inventory, reporting, integrations, and project management. But Wave dominates on pricing, team collaboration, and multi-business support. Pretty clear how their strengths shake out, right? So, honest opinion time. If you're running a growing business, juggling lots of projects, need advanced reporting and tools like time and inventory tracking, FreshBooks totally makes sense, especially if you've got a team. However, if you're just starting, freelancing, or running multiple small businesses and want to keep costs at zero, Wave's a no-brainer. That unlimited invoicing is genuinely awesome for side hustles and solo gigs. Basically, FreshBooks if you need lots of features. Wave if you need budget-friendly simplicity. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next